Dean, I'm wondering if we could actually have two bricks coming out on the same shelf.
It's a pretty strong reduction, actually.
About 5 minutes. But you keep a small eye on the temperatures.
Yeah.
Smoking. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 all to go still.
Good.
Possibly this is actually a little bit cooler. Oh, yeah, then we got a, this is a new glaze. Make my notes from that, and then this is the, in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite